Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my journal. As you can see, this is last week. Lots of pets. This week we're going to be creating a spread for the week of June 12th through the 18th. This is the classic size happy planner called La Fleur. I am going to be using the book called Hello Spring from Live Love Posh, and it is an older book. I really love this, so I wanted to use it. It's very like vacation mode, and that's what I'm feeling. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this. Even though it's spring still, it feels like summer, but I wanted to use up the picnic and all of that stuff since soon we're gonna get into super bright colors. So I'm gonna combine this with lots of yellows, but more pastel than bright. So bear with me. I'm gonna add that box, and this is from Mojo Jojo, of course. So thank you so much for joining me. If this is your first time, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. And thank you so much for stopping again. If you're not subscribed, I would really appreciate if you would do so. So let's go ahead and get going with the spread. I added this lantern. It is so adorable. And then pink, purple, and yellow flowers. I'm going to stick with that color theme. I think that's going to be the best. And yes, I do rip pages out of my book, you guys. Yes, I do. I don't know why this is a habit of mine. I never used to, and now I want a free reign of my sticker paper. So if you guys are the same, let me know, because it is a little bit of a pet peeve of mine with myself, but I can't help it. I kind of want to keep the books intact to see how much I used, but at the same time, you can kind of tell, right? Because they get super thin. Anyway, let's keep going. This book is lovely. I've been kind of saving these stickers. I don't know for what, but apparently for this. So I am doing it. It's going to be lovely and big and beautiful. So here we go. I'm going to cut this flower just a tiny bit, like you will see. Not even a full cut, just like a corner. Look how cute. Like it's sticking out, right? And then you can use that in another box in the corner. I love doing this sometimes. So I'm just gonna cut it tiny bit to show off that yellow so it doesn't look like it's kind of weird and not positioned right. So I have this safety cutting tool that I use and just a ruler, and there you go. Look how beautiful it's peeking out of that corner, right? So perfect. Next, we're gonna go ahead and add this lotion. I'm gonna tilt it a little. It says lavender hand lotion, and it looks so posh and chic. I kind of want like a spa thing with that candle in there. So it looks fun. I'm gonna add more of these yellow boxes and more of these decorational pieces. I really like them. So look at this beautiful branch. I'm gonna kind of do it from here and then slightly into the box. Some of them are sticking out of the box, some of them are around the box, some of them are in the box. So I really have no rhyme or reason of how I do things. I just do them. I'm gonna use these pale purple boxes as well. I really do like them. I'm gonna just peel this up a little and then put that plant under over the box a little bit because I want to see that tip. I think that makes it so beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and then flatten that. Perfect. That looks better to me. I like how they're connected with the plant. So I'm just adding a random purple boxes. No, I don't know what I'm going to be journaling about. That's not why I'm adding boxes like that. I just do it because I really like the separation that boxes give me. Like I will talk about a topic and then I stop all of a sudden because the box end, or I can continue. There's really no rhyme or reason of why to do one or the other. So for me, it works really well, and that's what I do. I don't know how you guys journal, but let me know if you're the same and you just like the separation of topics. in your boxes. Plus, it's easier to write smaller sections, at least for me. Like, I will write about the beautiful weather and I can use my small box, and then I'll write about something big and I can use all of the white space. Plus boxes, all I do is point a little arrow to make sure that it shows that it's continued. So that's all I do. I'm gonna add more of these yellow ones as well, kind of overlapping them. I think they'll be fun. I'm gonna add this hair clip to my spa section here. I think that's great. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut this flower in half and kind of put it on the sidebar here. I think that's gonna be good because I'm not planning to write in a sidebar this time. Or maybe I will around them and it will look kind of fun. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen next week, you guys, and I don't know how much I'm gonna have to write. Sometimes I feel like I'm not gonna have much to write and drama happens. Like, all of us have at least a little bit of drama in our lives, and yes, when it happens, I want to write about it. That's how I vent and fume to myself, and then I'm okay. I'm gonna add these little flowers to the corner of boxes. I think that's so adorable, like such a very little innocent flower. So I'm gonna go ahead and play a little bit more with maybe these stickers if I have a couple. Let's see if I can add a few more things. I don't know. So that's the dual of these stickers, and then that's the other duplicate. So no, I think I'm okay. I think I am okay. I'm gonna add like one more box right here so it's not so naked. I don't like naked spaces like that. And then I think I'll be done. So I'm gonna pop this back into the planner and I'm gonna look forward to journaling in this next week. But this week's journal for me is also quite exciting. So thanks so much for joining. Have a great week ahead. I'll see you guys very soon for another plan with me. Bye.